we've completed Leslie's daytime spring look. Now I'm just going to add a few colors to what she already has for a little bit more glamorous look. I'm going to keep in this color family and add a maroon shimmer on the brow bone. This will give her the appearance of a smoky eye. Hold the eye taut, go in the brow bone, we're applying it in a V shape. It still keeps in the purple family, but it gives her a little bit smokier, sexier look. Then, I'm going to take a little bit of shimmer and place it throughout her eye, just to change the texture up. Shimmer is going to look great in pictures. The darker accent color and the shimmer completes Leslie's spring glam look.